Good morning, children. Again we will start the conversion based on length. Already two sums we have done. Today is the third one. Convert 246 meter into centimeter. First of all, we have to compare these two units. Which unit it is? This is meter and this is centimeter. When we will see which is the bigger unit and which is the smaller unit. So before this, again we will write our favorite sentence. Khansama has deserted me during cold months. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So meter is given. We have to convert it into centimeter. Where is meter? Here. Written this side. And centimeter is written below. Upper side, and this is lower side. Upper unit into lower unit. Upper means big unit. This is bigger than centimeter. Centimeter is a smaller unit than meter. So when we convert big unit into small unit, what we have to do? Yes, multiply. Convert big unit into small unit, multiply. So same, here is meter, we have to hide meter. We will hide it like this and just see how many steps will come down. Centimeter is written here, this side. 1, this we have to hide, and centimeter is written second place, 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1 0 2 0. 1 0 is 10, 2 0 is 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 246 meter is equal to 246 into 100. Multiply it with this. 246 into 100 is 24,600 centimeter. Again, children, you have to listen very carefully. This is the unit and it is very, very important. When you complete your conversion, you have to write unit. It is compulsory. If you will not write, you will lose your marks in exams. Understood? This is the unit. Centimeter is the unit. Yes. Now see this one. Conversion 4. Convert 96 hectometer into millimeter. Again we have to see hectometer and millimeter. This unit and this unit. We will see here. Khansama has deserted me during cold months. This is kilometer, hectometer. This is hectometer. We have to come down this millimeter. Convert this unit into this unit. This unit is written upper side. It means it is a bigger unit. And it is written here. It means it is a smaller unit. So this we have to hide. We will hide hectometer. Now just see how many steps we have to come down. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps you are coming down. 1 0 10, 2 0 100, 3 0 1000, 4 0 10,000, 5 0 1 lakh. Let's see. 1 hectometer is equal to 1 lakh millimeter. 96 hectometer is equal to 96 multiplied by 1 lakh. 96 and 5 zeros. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 96 lakh millimeter. One more thing we can do, we can write it like this also. 96 and how many zeros are there? 5. 10 to the power 5. When we multiply, this exponent always written like this, and when we divide, that I will tell you or I will explain you later on what will be the difference. Here we will put 1 minus when we will do divide, that I will tell you afterwards. Here 5 zeros are there, that is why 10 to the power 5. This is there. Understood? Now see this one. Convert 24 centimeter into meter. Now compare between centimeter and meter. Which unit is bigger or which is smaller? This is written first, so we will go there. Centimeter. Here meter is this side. Here from here to this side. Means we have to move upward. Here. We have to come this side. From the lower side we will go to upper side. Now arrow is moving upward. We have to hide this centimeter. How many steps we have to move up? Just see. 1, 2. 2 steps means 20. 20 means 100. This is when it is divide. 1 upon. When it is divide means 1 upon. 1, 2. 20. Understood? Just see. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. At the place of, first of all, convert small unit into big unit, divide. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 24 centimeter is equal to 24 into 1 upon 100. 24 multiply 1, 24 ones are 24 upon 100. So just see 2 zeros are here. So we have to put decimal after 2 digits. Here 1, 2. 2 digits are already there. 1, 2. We have to put decimal over here. And before the decimal, we have to write 1, 0. 0.24 meter. Understood, children? See, now I am telling you one more conversion. Just see, convert 3279 millimeter into meter. Again, we have to see the comparison between millimeter and meter. Millimeter is written first, so we have to move here. Millimeter, it is here, millimeter. We will go up. 1, 2, 3. This so we have to hide. We have to move 3 steps ahead. 3 steps means 3 zeros. 30 means 1000. Small unit into big unit, divide. This is the smallest unit. We have to move up. This we have to hide. 1, 2, 3. Third one means this is 10, 100, 1000. 1 upon 1000. Just see. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. 3279 millimeter is equal to, same we have to multiply it by 1000. Same 3279 multiply by 1 upon 1000.